Asset Surveys with preventative maintenance schedules and procedure setup is an all-inclusive service that saves your district critical time, effort, and money. MasterLibrary knows that a comprehensive list of facility assets and detailed floor plans can be hard to come by. Allowing our expert team to thoroughly survey and document your facilities will get your system up and running immediately. Preventative maintenance is proven to extend the life of your equipment and provides huge ROI, so get set up the right way today. The service also includes a high-value working session post-survey to ensure your staff are fluent in the software tools. MasterLibrary is here to make your job easier by providing a turnkey system that puts valuable data at your fingertips.
Asset surveys are essentially digitizing a building. It's taking all of your major mechanicals, life safety, plumbing, electrical, any major assets that have periodic maintenance or routine procedural maintenance that has to be performed in order to maintain warranties and extend the life of the equipment. We add them to a digital floor plan and do the entire survey on behalf of the district. The software is great, it's very user-friendly, it's easy to self-perform. We designed it so that schools and clients can populate the system on their own, but what we wound up finding is most schools don't have the staffing to populate the system to what it needs to be. So we're able to come in and get the system to its critical mass to where it's functional and provides additional value to the client. A lot of times the actual blueprints and drawings that the district has are not great quality or they're incomplete. A lot of times the construction projects only touch part of a building, so they may have multiple sets of drawings that need to be combined to make a cohesive, up-to-date set. And that is part of the service that we also provide is reconciling the drawings, adding and updating space numbers and putting them on clean title blocks, getting them into the system on their behalf. And then also the rooftop shots. So typically if a district is self-performing, they will take a Google Earth image and use that for the asset management on the rooftops, but the image quality is subpar and often those images are out of date. So we're able to come in and take 4K straight down rooftop shots to give true up-to-date images of those roofs. ML drawings and ML work orders are married at the back end of the database level. So while they exist as two separate titles that have to be purchased individually, they complement each other very well. While you can use ML work orders as a standalone system, it operates closer to the old style of asset management using spreadsheets and grids, where you don't get any graphical reference point of where these items are in the district. Once you combine it with ML drawings, you get the blueprint version of the old school asset list that just lives in a grid, and it really brings it to life. It helps people that are new to the district and new to the building that may not have awareness when somebody says it's on the northwest corner of the roof, or it's over by the old gymnasium underneath room 202. To a director or somebody that's been there for 10 years, that means something. To the new staff member that's only been in that building for a couple of weeks, that means nothing. If they can open up that work order and see a ticket that says a unit needs to be repaired or maintained, and they can click a link to open up the drawing, and it pre-filters to only show that one asset record, they know exactly where they're going in that building, and they can see who worked on it last, what was done, and if the O&M manuals or part lists are attached to it, they have all that at their fingertips before they go to the unit.
If you'd like to learn more about this service or what our software can do, please reach out today.